Hi everyone, this is Sheshe. Welcome to another video of my 8,000 plus subscriber giveaway. This is entry number 22. It comes from Melissa that goes by MoeCreations here on YouTube. So this is what she sent me. It's a beautiful packaging. I love the colors. Beautiful flower. You did a fabulous job in your packaging. So I'm going to open this up and see what she sent me. I believe you did a video response and a tutorial on how you made this, and this is what was on the inside. A beautiful card. I just love it so much. It coordinates so well with the bag. She sent me these beautiful bling stickers. Thank you so much. And the quality of this card, I can just feel it through the plastic bag. I can tell it's just 110-pound cardstock. Every layer is just amazing. She has some glossy accents on everything. The sentiment, the ladybugs, it's just really, to see it in person is stunning. So it says hugs. I'm going to read what she wrote me. It says, congrats on your subbies and may you have many more. Your friend Melissa. It has this beautiful flower on the inside. So thank you very much. I will cherish this card. And this is her entry. I'm going to open it up and we'll read about Melissa. And I'm going to set the card right here so you can see it. And then I will give everyone a close look at her memory dex card. So again, she's Melissa. She gave me her address. Her Instagram is Moe_creations. YouTube is MoeCreations. Her birthday is August the 13th. She just had a birthday. She loves to craft. She loves dyes plus paper. It's so me. And she loves crafting tools. She doesn't give her favorite color, but I'm sure she will comment below what her favorite color is. Maybe it's red, white, and black, and green from these colors that she has sent to me. But here, everyone, is a close-up look at her card. How fabulous is that? Red bottom heels, my favorite. And she has some glossy accents on the glasses. The sunglasses are just so cute. And then she has it all blinged out. It looks so realistic. This is just adorable. So thank you so much. Again, she's MoeCreations. If you want to see how this was made, I believe she has a tutorial on her channel. And all the steps it took to make this. Alright, so thank you so much for coming to another video. I'm going to start doubling and tripling these entries because they are rolling in faster than I can make these videos, and the deadline is approaching if it's not already here while you're watching this video. So take care, everyone. Have a fabulous day.